Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is round 2 for me at Walgreens this week. These deals started on Sunday, January 9th, and they are good up until Saturday, January 15th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so in this transaction, this is an online curbside pickup transaction. Of course, I shopped through the Rakuten's app to get some extra cash back. So I used the Rakuten's app. I used a digital booster, get $15 in Walgreens cash when you spend $60. And then I also used a promo code NEWU also for some additional savings. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we have here is going to be this Palmolive dish soap. This is the 8 ounce, and this is priced at Walgreens for 99 cents. We do have a 50-cent digital coupon. When using that digital coupon, it's going to bring your total down to just 49 cents, which is really, really good. I got this in my previous Walgreens video, and I am going to grab 2 more of these on my other 2 accounts because this is a stock up price, and of course, I always need some dish soap. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 more of these Big Soleil razors, and these are priced online for $6.29, and they are buy one get one 50% off. So the first one rung up at $6.29. My second one rung up at half off at $3.15. So $6.29 plus $3.15 is $9.44. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So $9.44, and we have a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $9.44 minus that $4 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $5.44. And then when you buy 2, you will receive back a $4 registry reward. I did receive my $4 registry reward right here, bringing my total down to $1.44 for both, or it makes each one just 72 cents. And then I also grabbed 2 of the Colgate Optic White toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens for $2.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $2.99, and that's going to bring your total to $5.98. We have 2 $2 digital coupons for the Colgate toothpaste on the Walgreens app. So that's a total of $4 in coupons. So $5.98 minus the $4 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to $1.98. Then when you buy 2, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards, which I did receive, making both of these completely free, plus a $2.02 moneymaker. So this is a really nice, easy freebie money-making deal to do this week at Walgreens. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Gillette foam shave gels, and these are buy one get one 50% off at Walgreens. They are priced at $2.99. So one will ring up at $2.99. The second one will ring up half off at $1.49. Also, when you buy 2, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So $4.48, no coupons, and then you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards, making your total just 48 cents for both, or 24 cents each. And then with the Kleenex and the Scott, they are buy one get one 50% off, regularly priced at $5. So the Scott paper towels rung up at $5. The Kleenex rung up half off at $2.50. Now, I wanted the Scott Comfort Plus tissue, but this particular Walgreens did not have it. So I just went ahead and I grabbed the box of Kleenex because I knew that this was going to ring up half off. But I did go ahead and I grabbed the Scott paper towels. So both of them together is $7.50. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Scott. So $7.50 minus that $1 digital coupon brought my total down to $6.50 for both, or $3.25 each. And then with the Gain right here, this is the gigantic bottle. So this is the 100 ounce. I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $9.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back a $5 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $9.99, and that's going to bring your total to $19.98. No coupons for these on the Walgreens app. and then you will get back a $5 registry reward when you buy 2, which I did receive right here. So with receiving this $5 registry reward, it brought my total down to $14.98, or it makes each one just $7.49. Now, of course, I will not pay $7.49 for this. Of course, like I told you guys at the beginning of the video, I have a digital booster, so that's why I grabbed this, but I most definitely will not pay $7.49 a piece for these. So that is what you would pay if you were to do this deal just individually by itself. And then lastly, you guys, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 packages of the Huggies Diapers, the size 4. And these are priced at Walgreens this week at 2 for $20. I purchased 3, so each bag rung up for $10 each. So my total for all 3 packages came out to be $30. We have a $2 off of 1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. And then we also have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. The deal also is you will receive a $5 registry reward when you buy 3. So $30 minus the $6 in digital coupons that I used, that brought my total down to $24. Then you will receive back a $5 registry reward when you buy 3. I did receive back my $5 registry reward right here. And with receiving this registry reward, it brought my total down to just $19 for all 3 packages, or it makes each package $6.33 each. Of course, again, just like the game, I would not pay $6.33 for a package of diapers because you can always get these for super cheap. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So let me just go ahead and show you all my receipts really quick. So everything rung up like it was supposed to, of course, because it was done online. And then I used that promo code NEW for some extra savings, and that took off a total of $1.19. So let me just say, before coupons, my total came out to be $78.36. I typed in the promo code NEW, and that took off $1.19. So that brought my total down to $77.17. Okay. Everything came off like it was supposed to. My subtotal came out to be $61.67, the highest amount of Walgreens cash that I was able to use and still receive my $15 for spending $60 was $10. So I did use $10 and I paid the $51.67 using my Walgreens MasterCard. So in Walgreens cash rewards, you guys, I got back a total of $25.91. So my total came out to be $61.67. In Walgreens cash rewards, I got back $25.91. Of that $25.91, $4 came from me purchasing 2 of the Gillette shave gels. $4 came from me purchasing 2 of the Colgate toothpaste. $15 came from me spending $60, and then the extra $2.91 came from the Walgreens everyday extra points that you get. So that's where the $25.91 came from. That brought my total down to $35.76. Then I got back my $5 registry reward for the game, $5 registry reward for the Huggies, and $4 registry reward for the big razor. So this is a total of $14 in registry rewards. So $35.76 minus the $14 in registry rewards that I got back, that brought my total down to $21.76. And don't forget, I went to the Rakuten app to get some extra cash back, and Rakuten gave me $1.57 for this transaction. So $21.76 minus the $1.57 that I got back from Rakuten, that brought my grand total down to $20.19 for all of these items right here. This is 14 items, so when you divide that 2019 by these 14 items, that makes each item just $1.44. That is fantastic. Just for both of the games, that's already $19.98. So this is a fantastic price to get all of these items for $20.19 when these 2 products alone cost $20. This is a really good price. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you all are getting from Walgreens this week. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.